Hey everybody, today we're going to be restoring the headlights on this Yukon XL. I've got this 3M headlight restoration kit. Got lots of glazing on here. Oh, air conditioner's kicking on. Just tons of stuff coming off these lenses, and so we're going to try and get these things back to the way they used to look, nice and clear, and help out with the way we can see at nighttime, just make it better. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is clean off the headlight with some soap and water. So I'm just going to grab some water and soap and a rag and clean that up real quick. Then I'll let it dry, and then I'll come back and I'll mask off all the areas around the headlight so I don't damage them when I'm trying to polish and sand and all that on the headlight. Alright, we got that all cleaned up, so now we're ready to put the masking tape on here. So we'll do that, and then we'll get ready to start with the first pass on sanding. Alright, we are masked off, so now I'm going to use my drill with the 500 grit sanding disc attached to it, and we're just going to take some real easy passes on the headlight here. Just go nice and slow. No hurry. I got a slight angle on it too. I'm not going completely flat. I'm just going to go back here. As you see, it's kind of clouding it up, but I do see that it's starting to eat away at the imperfections. So we're just going to do this and go all the way around. Then once I'm done covering that, I'm going to wipe it, and then I think we'll probably have to go maybe 2 more times, maybe 1 more time. So we'll see. Okay, I made a full pass on the headlight. So I'm just going to grab my rag here, just wipe it away, see what we're left with. It's nice and cloudy. I'm probably going to go ahead and replace this pad. That came with 6 of them, so I'm going to use 3 on each headlight. So let's replace that. I think this is probably getting all gunked up, and then we'll give it another pass. Second pass is done, and it's starting to feel really smooth, except for down here. Still a little rough, so I'm going to go ahead and do 1 more pass, and then we're going to switch to the finer grit paper. Okay, I'm all finished with the 500 grit. I'm going to switch to the 800. I'll wipe it off with my rag. You can still kind of see the imperfection there in the lens, but I don't feel it anymore, so it's nice and smooth. So I think we're ready to move on. All right, we're going to make a pass real quick with the 800 grit. So I just go nice and slow. I'll get those curves in a minute. 1 pass done, so we're going to take off this pad, go with another one, and then we should be ready to move on to the polishing pad. Okay, second pass is done. I've got a wet rag here. I'm just going to kind of clean this up, and we are going to get ready to use the polishing pad. And I'll keep this wet rag handy just to add a little bit of moisture to the surface so that it helps with the polishing. Okay, here we go. Time to go with the polishing pad. We'll go over this a few times. Oops. Go nice and slow. So we'll just repeat this process. I'll go over this a couple times. As you see, it's starting to pick up all the stuff. It says it'll make a slurry, and so we'll clean it after that. Get ready to put on the clear coat. I can already see that it's getting clearer just on the lens itself while I'm actually doing this. That's nice. So this is my 3rd pass on this. It says 4 to 6 times. So we'll try 4, see how that goes. Alright, got the polishing done. It says now to remove the masking tape, and then I will clean this up to prepare for the last step, which is to wipe it with the clear coat. So let's get this off here. And it says it will look hazy, cloudy still until you do this final step. So don't be alarmed if it doesn't look like it's all the way clean. Alright, let's do it. Jumping in at later progress on my driver's side headlight. You can see I got it all cloudy from sanding it with the 500 grit. I'm about to jump on the 800, then the 3000, and then we'll get these things all coated up. Well, this is what it looks like after going through and sanding it down with the 800 grit a couple times. So we're going to move on now to the polishing pad, which is 3000 grit. So hopefully it gets this thing nice and clear. Here we are after the 3000 grit. Got the masking tape pulled away. Just gonna dry this up one last time before we put on the clear coat. So for the clear coat, in the instructions here it says to take one of these out and use it on both headlights. Then you're going to take the other one out and use that on both headlights. So let's get after it. It also says put on these gloves. It's got some chemicals in there. So here we go. Get the glove on to open this bad boy up. And it says don't unfold it. It says it has a fold in it, so just leave it the way it is. So we'll do that. Well, I think it means all the way open. So we're gonna just use this here, and let's get after it. Okay, I'm getting the second coat on here. And there was a little residue after the first one. It said do not touch up during the first coat. So only after the second coat. So we're gonna do this, see how it goes. Then I'm gonna read it to see if I'm allowed to touch it with a rag or anything. But I'm gonna go consistent, like same direction streaks. You're an airplane going to a biplane. Well, this is the final result. Not perfect by any means, but definitely a lot better. My passenger side light had a lot more scratching than my driver's side. So that one still has a little bit on it, but the lights are noticeably brighter. When I get them going here, I'm going to turn on the headlights, turn the car on real quick. Definitely a lot brighter. So overall, I'm pleased. The kit was only about $15, so I think it's worth it. It's better than paying someone like 40 bucks. It's only took me maybe about 30 minutes, and I'm cheap. So anyway, you guys want to buy the product, it's in the link below, and it's also attached to the video. So anyway, I hope this helped you out. It's pretty easy to do. You can do it in just a few minutes, so don't stress about it. You guys take it easy.